everyone, welcome to this course. Today I'm gonna introduce how to use TEJ database, which is Taiwan Economic Journal, provided by Asia University. In fact, a lot of universities in Taiwan have already provided this kind of database for all finance major students. So everyone basically can use this database for free in school. So now we're gonna give you an introduction about how to download the stock prices, including company information like financial statement, etc., from this database. So first of all, let's go to the school web page here. We can just find the library. You can see the library here, and then we go to the library. Okay, then we can check the menu here. There are a lot of options for you. So basically, you can check the first one. Before we start, let's just change language to English. Okay, so now we are in the English web page. First of all, let's just click the ERM e-resources. But maybe you get error message because it's not connected to this website. So another way is to go to the searching. Okay, so basically you can also search for the related keywords. But now we are logging to the e-resources management system. So we can just type the TEJ here. Okay, so for example, let's just type TEJ. Okay, now you can see here we just type TEJ here. Okay, then we can click search. Then let's go to the bottom here. Item 9 shows the TEJ, Taiwan Economic Journal. So we just click it, and of course you need to type your your account name and password so that you'll be able to log into the system. Okay. Okay, after that, we're gonna see a menu showing how to download TEJ package. So here we have two options here. The first one will be the 32 bytes. Okay, and the second one is 64 bytes. So basically you can choose either one of these, and then you can start downloading. And after you finish downloading, then you will see you can install the package. Okay, so let's go to the desktop here. You can see there's a TEJ here icon. So let's just click it, and okay, and then you will see a window pop up showing that you have to type the account name and password. So maybe we can change the language to English first, and then you can use password. You can username is Asia and the password is TEJ. Okay, and TEJ should be in capital letters so that we can just log into the system. And we click OK. We don't need to change anything here. Okay. Then you will see a menu on the left hand side. Here you can see there are a lot of options here. So for example, like we have TEJ profile, we have TEJ company, database, bank, detail, asset liability, TEJ IFRS, finance new accounting principle, etc. But basically what we are interested is in TEJ equity. Okay, so basically equity is the database that provides the financial the stock prices, including some related financial information. So that let's click that one, and see what's inside there. So let's double click it, and then you're gonna see submenu here showing a lot of information. For example, we're gonna see this. Let's just focus on the daily price because now we are interested in the daily price here. Okay, so we have two options. One is adjusted price daily average AVG. Another one is adjusted price daily X underscore R and D, which means the price has been adjusted for dividend and stock splits. Or put it another way, in Taiwan we call it as a X right. Okay, so that means this pretty much like the stock split in United States, but basically the dividend is paid out in shares instead of cash. So this is what we are interested here. So let's just double click that. Okay. Okay, then if we double click that, we're gonna see an example here showing open, high, low, close volume, but we are not interested in this database, so let's just go to the top menu. Let's just focus on this one. Okay, all we have to do is just focus on this one. That will be helpful to us to download data. So let's just click that one, and then we're gonna see a menu here. So a lot of issues involved here. So first of all, that will be to ask us to select data, which is ID number, because basically every stock has its own ID number. So we have to specify ID numbers if we like to select specific stocks or a range of stocks. Okay, but here we just focus on all listed companies in Taiwan stock market. So let's just select the second one. Let's just focus on TWSE. Okay, and then we go to the third item, and then we have many options here. The first one is common stock. The second one is common stock including ETF. And the third one, the second one is excluding TDR, and the last one is X excluding TDR, RDF. Okay, TDR and F, foreign companies listed in Taiwan market. Okay, so let's just suppose we are interested in the Okay, so let's just suppose we are interested in excluding TDR. Okay, in other words, we're including F stocks. So if that's the case, okay, maybe you can just choose the last one. Okay, excluding TDR and F stocks. Okay, if that's the case, then all companies shown here will include all listed companies in Taiwan stock market. Basically, those companies are native companies in Taiwan. Okay, so if we like to select all stocks, then we can just click the second button here. Okay, and if we want to unselect all stocks, then we can click that one. Okay, or if we like to specify specific stocks, okay, then we can click this one. Okay, so suppose we like to select all stocks here. So let's just select this one. Okay, and then we can, since we've selected all stocks here, then we can also specify specific date range. Here is example for 1 year date range starting from 2020 December 29 to 2021 December 29. Okay, in the following items, actually we don't have we don't have to do anything. We don't have to change anything here. And in the following here, we have a column we have some specified fields. For example, we have open, high, low, close. Okay, so we can select open, high, low, close, and bottom. Usually, if we are interested in stock price analysis, usually we like to focus on these 5 items. So let's just select that. Okay, and then after that, then we can just start our importing process. So in the following, we can specify our path. So for example, like this is our path here. Okay, and then we can specify the file name. So we have a test TEJ here, and the type of the file can be specified as text or CSV. But in this case, we specify the TXT. Okay, so let's start downloading. Okay, and then click OK. Okay, when it's done, and we can just click OK, and then check the data here. So basically, this is a weekly stock price data. So we have open week, open high, we in a week, open low. We have open week, high in a week, low in a week, close in a week, and volume, trading volume in a week. Okay, so that would be all for our data downloading. In this case, it's pretty easy for us to follow those menu.